Jess.
All right, armed and hammer, okay, burp your... Ladies and gentlemen, your 2013 winner, Mr. Armed and Hammered. Holy shit. All right, get your asses off my stage. Y'all are gross. All right, if you have the shortest shorts, let me tell you what's involved. You will have to shake your ass, so you better bring it. I need you to wait